Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Ever wondered about the best beard styles for face shapes? You're in luck. In this video, we'll be talking about one of the best beards for the round face shape, the Van Dyke. Today, we're going to be showing you exactly how to shape your very own Van Dyke beard, what products you should be keeping in your grooming arsenal, and what aftercare you should use when you're done styling your beard. Sounds good? Let's get started. Beards and faces go quite well together, and some beards suit better face shapes than others. In this video, we're going to be talking about rounder face shapes, and there are loads of beards to suit that face shape. From goatees to ducktail and boxed beards, if you're looking for a beard style for your face shape, you have plenty of options. The beard we'll be focusing on today though is the Van Dyke. Sophisticated and timeless, the Van Dyke beard has a storied history. It was named after the 17th century Flemish painter, and although you don't see many of them, it's super versatile. It's also one of the best beard styles for round faces. But what does a Van Dyke look like? You're going to find out by the end of this video when I shape my very own. But for now, let's see what the end result will look like. So, if you like the look of the Van Dyke and you're looking for a round face beard style, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we go step by step and learn how to style a Van Dyke. Before we roll up our sleeves and get down to it, let's talk about the essential tools you're going to need to achieve that sharp, distinguished look. We'll only be using one shaving tool here, the Philips One Blade Pro 360. The One Blade is perfect for shaping a Van Dyke. It's designed to trim, edge, and shave any length of hair. What makes it perfect for shaping a Van Dyke beard is its precision. With the One Blade, you can get those crisp lines and detailed stylings that the Van Dyke requires without switching between loads of different tools. One of the benefits of the One Blade 360 is its versatility. Whether your beard is long, short, or somewhere in between, the One Blade will work. It's super gentle on the skin too, which is crucial when you're crafting those precise edges around your chin and mustache. In addition to the Philips One Blade 360, you'll want to have a good quality comb, some scissors for snipping away any stray hairs, and of course, your favorite beard oil to give your Van Dyke that finishing touch. Now that we've got our toolkit ready, let's move on to our step-by-step process of achieving the Van Dyke beard style. First things first, we're going to comb the beard and detangle the hair. This will help you get a nice, even trim. We're going to outline the Van Dyke shape, which is essentially a goatee and a mustache that isn't connected. Using the One Blade, start by defining the main lines. We're going for a straight line down from the corner of the mouth, round the chin. Remember, we're not in a rush here. Take your time to get those lines just right. This step of the process really makes the Van Dyke the perfect beard for round face shapes. All the lines going down from the upper lip to the chin help define the jawline to give you a more chiseled look. Now, with our shape outlined, it's time to remove the beard outside of our Van Dyke template. We're looking for a clean, sharp contrast between our beard and bare skin. It's like sculpting. We're chipping away the excess to reveal the Van Dyke. With the outline in place, let's refine the mustache and the goatee. The goal is to have a neat, tidy look that brings attention to the shape we've created. For the mustache, give a slight curve to complement the natural shape of the upper lip. This step really makes the beard pop and gives it that sharp, defined look. Don't rush this part. Those clean lines are what makes it the perfect facial hair for round faces. Now that we've shaved our Van Dyke, use scissors to snip away any stray hairs that are left behind. There we are, the Van Dyke, one of my favorite beard shapes for round faces. But we're not done. To finish the look, we're going to apply some beard oil to give our new Van Dyke a healthy look. Now, this step is optional, but it only takes a minute and can really help you maintain your new style. All you have to do is rub it in like I'm doing here. You don't need too much product either. So it really is a quick and easy final step. And that's it. Your new Van Dyke beard is ready to go. In terms of maintenance, keeping this look fresh is all about regular touch-ups. We recommend doing a quick edge and trim once a week to keep everything looking neat. Don't forget to keep your skin moisturized too. So, that's the end of our guide to the Van Dyke beard, one of the best beard styles for round faces. Follow us for more inspiration and make sure you check out our other videos like our video on how to shave your neckline or our super simple 3-step best beard care routine. You can also visit the Philips website linked in the description below for even more guides and advice on your home grooming experience. Finally, don't forget to drop a comment and tell us how you find the Van Dyke beard or any other beard shapes for round faces you prefer. Thanks for watching.